Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make creme caramel. It's a very easy recipe with not a lot of ingredients. So let's get into it. I'll show you exactly how to make it. So we're going to start by making the caramel for the base. I've taken half cup of sugar here, grain sugar, and I'm just going to start heating it. And we're going to make the caramel here. So as you can see, it's starting to caramelize on the edges. So we're just going to swirl it around. Now you don't want to put a spoon in it. चम्मच नहीं लगाना है इसमें because चम्मच लगाएंगे तो it gets stuck to the spoon और फिर उसके बाद उसको निकालना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. So we are not going to put any spoon or any apparatus into it. बस swirl करते रहना और ये अपने आप caramel बन रहा है. तो इसमें दिख रहा है कि ऊपर ग्रेन्स हैं और नीचे कैरमलाइज होना शुरू हो गया है. सो इसको उठा के एंड आई विल जस्ट लिफ्ट इट अप फ्रॉम द फ्लेम और स्वर्ल करूँगा ताकि ऊपर से कैरमल में सारा डिजॉल्व हो जाए ग्रेन. ऑलराइट, सो एज यू कैन सी माय कैरमल इज रेडी. So I'm just going to pour it into my prepared tin. So I don't do anything for preparation for this tin. मैंने कुछ करा नहीं है एक्स्ट्रा इसमें. डायरेक्ट कैरमल इसमें डालेंगे. डार्क ब्राउन कलर होना चाहिए कैरमल का. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे कैरमल को कुक बिकॉज अदरवाइज जलने के चांसेस होते हैं. एंड पूरी तरह से बेस को कवर करना है कैरमल से. उसके बाद हम इसके ऊपर अपना कस्टर्ड मिक्सचर डालेंगे बाद में. तो एज यू कैन सी द होल बेस इज कवर्ड. अभी हम बस इसको साइड में छोड़ देंगे ताकि ये थोड़ा कूल डाउन हो जाए. उसके बाद वील मेक अ कस्टर्ड एंड वील पुट इट ऑन टॉप. ऑलराइट, अब जब कैरमल प्रिपेयर हो गया है सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर द कस्टर्ड बेस. For that I'm going to take sugar, some powdered sugar here, and I've taken some nutmeg, a pinch of nutmeg, and 3 eggs I will take, all 3 of them all at once, and I'm going to take a whisk and I'm going to just whisk this all together. As you can see the eggs have been whisked together with the sugar. तो अब मैं इसमें vanilla essence डालूँगा 1 teaspoon, and we're just going to whisk this together. Okay, so now I put the vanilla essence also inside. Everything has been whisked together. So I have taken some warm milk. It is very important that your milk is not too hot. अगर ज़्यादा गर्म milk होगा तो eggs curdle हो जाएंगे डालते ही. So it's important to just notice that your milk is warm, not hot. And we're just going to put a little bit first and whisk it, and then I'm going to put the whole thing in. I'm going to add all the remaining milk. And we're just going to whisk it together. Make sure that there is no air bubbles on the top. ज़्यादा whisk नहीं करना है, नहीं तो air bubbles अगर ऊपर आ जाएंगे तो there will be holes in your creme caramel when it is baking. So now that my custard mixture is ready and my caramel mold is ready, I'm going to prepare a water bath in which we are going to bake the creme caramel. I've taken some hot water here from the kettle and I'm going to pour it into this baking dish. So once we're going to just strain the custard mixture, उसके बाद we will put it back in the caramel mold. I have a strainer here and I have another bowl. I'm just going to strain it all through the strainer. Now we're going to put the prepared strained custard mixture into our mold. To transfer my prepared mixture to the water bath. Be careful not to drop it anywhere. And we're just going to check the level of the water. It should reach about half the height of the container, which here I will have to add a little bit more water for that. And after that I will be transferring the whole tray to the oven, which has been preheating at 170 degrees, and we are going to bake it for 45 minutes. So we're going to add some more water here, so that the level reaches half the height of the container. That seems about right to me. I'm using hot water so that the steam builds up in the oven because we don't want it to be very harsh on the custard. Right. So after 45 minutes I took my creme caramel out of the oven and I first cooled it down to room temperature for around 1 to 2 hours, and after it came to room temperature I put it in the refrigerator for another 2-3 hours. And now it's ready to demold. Okay, so to demold it, I first loosen the edges from all around the corners and I'll use my fingers to loosen the edges. Just put it around the edge and just pull it towards the center. And if it's difficult for you to do that, you can also take a knife and just run it along the edges. And once the edges are loosened, we are going to take a bigger plate. We're going to invert it on top, and we're just going to pick the two together and just invert this whole thing. I'm just going to let all the syrup drip down. So as you can see, I've given it a minute. All of the custard is down now. So I'm just going to carefully lift it up, and all the syrup is now revealed, and the custard also. And I'm going to take a spatula and I'm just going to run it on the bottom of the pan and just take out all the syrup from here and just drip it into the pan. So as you can see, I have a guest here with me today. She is the celebrity doctor, Dr. Anjali Huda, and she's going to do a taste test and tell me how it is today. I'm going to cut you a piece. Just help me with how much portion I should give you. Alright. Good enough.
Yeah.
I'm just going to pour some syrup also in here.
Extra bonus for me.
Just taste and let me know how it is.
Oh my god. Ishan, it's so good. It's
Thank you
better
so
than
much.
any creme caramel I've ever had outside in my life. I'm gonna bake it.
Absolutely. And if you do, just let me know how it turned out. And you also try it also and let me know how it is.